Assalamu alaikum, dear students. In the previous lesson, we began the introduction to Tajweed and discussed its definition, subject matter, purpose, and objectives. Today, insha'Allah, we will discuss the origin of Tajweed, the scholars who established it, the period in which it was codified, and the pillars of Tajweed. Dear students, the codification of Tajweed took place around 150 AH. The scholars who established this science can be divided into two categories. Min hayth al-ada, from the perspective of oral transmission. Min hayth al-qawaid, from the perspective of rules. 1. Min hayth al-ada, oral transmission. From the perspective of oral transmission, the Holy Prophet Muhammad ﷺ himself was the first teacher of Tajweed. This is because the Prophet ﷺ learned the recitation of the Quran directly from Angel Gabriel alayhi salam, and then taught it to the noble companions, radiyallahu anhum, in exactly the same manner and style. Since the companions were native Arabic speakers, they did not require written rules of Tajweed. This method of learning and teaching is called min hayth al-ada. 2. Min hayth al-qawaid, rules and principles. Sayyiduna Ali, radiyallahu anhu, instructed his student Abu al-Aswad al-Duali, Rahmatullahi, to formulate some general principles of Tajweed. He established a number of basic rules, and later other scholars developed these into detailed principles. Among the prominent scholars are Abu al-Aswad al-Duali, Rahmatullahi, Imam Khalil ibn Ahmad al-Farahidi, Rahmatullahi, Amr ibn Uthman ibn Kuwanbar, Al-Ma'ruf as-Sibawayh, Rahmatullahi, Yahya ibn Sayyad al-Farra, Rahimahullah, Imam Abu al-Abbas al-Mubarad, Rahmatullahi, Muhammad ibn Hassan al-Azdi al-Basri, Rahmatullah. An important benefit. Imam Khalil ibn Ahmad al-Farahidi, Rahmatullahi, was the first scholar to discuss the articulation points, makari, the characteristics, sifat, the classifications and names of the Arabic letters in his famous book, Kitab al-Ain. He also mentioned the signs of Ram and Ishmam, described the 17 articulation points, makhara, and is credited with codifying the diacritical marks, Arab, of the Holy Quran. The 5 pillars of Tajweed. The science of Tajweed is based upon 5 essential pillars. Recognizing the articulation points, makari, of the letters. Recognizing the characteristics, sifat, of the letters. Understanding the combined rules, ahkam tartibiyya, i.e., the rules governing the pronunciation of letters when they are joined together. Riyazat al-lisan/yanat al-lisan, training and protecting the tongue from mistakes in pronunciation. Alaq min afwa al-mashayikh, learning directly from qualified teachers through oral instruction. This concludes today's lesson. Insha'Allah, we will continue with the remaining topics in the next class. Jazakumullah.